And it's time for Dollar General's any day deals, guys, and they are awesome. Plus, we're gonna look at some buy one get one free deals. Let's go. Okay, the first thing we're gonna go to is the freezer aisle right here where liquids are at, and we're gonna do this. And I know I showed you this BOGO right here, but we're gonna do it again. It is the Coca-Cola is at $2.50. Buy one get one free. Dollar General deal. Hit that. Open it up and you'll see all the things that it attached. I can't find this tea anymore. No, it's gone. Wow. I like that tea. They don't have it. So that is what we're going to get as of now, those bad ones. Okay, so let's pick two of those up. I'm going to get the Coca-Cola and one lime Sprite, cherry lime Sprite. Okay, so let's put that in there. Excuse my purse. Let's get to our next deal. Okay, the next thing we're going to do is go to the Go Group. They're $3 each. Let's scan it. We have a number of coupons, $3. And we have $1.50 off too, manufacturer. And then you have the 50-cent earn limit of 5, okay? Those two will not stack. So the one we're going to look at right here is the one for $1.50 off too. So $3 times 2 is 6. Take away $1.50. Leave your $4.50. Divide that by 2, and we're going to pay $2.25 each. Okay, we're going to pick up 4 of these Totino's Parties pieces. They're 4 for $8. Okay, let's scan them. And guys, look, early bird catch the worm. It's almost empty. Right here, see that? Empty. Let me see. That's the pizza. $2.50 each. They have an offer 4 for $8, so $2 each. Okay, next deal is on the Eggo waffles. They're at $3.50. Originally they're on sale for $3. $3. Took 50 cents off, so I'm going to grab a couple of boxes of the Eggo. Now, if you want to, let's see, strawberry, blueberry, and I think they want a, let me see, chocolate. I'll grab the chocolate ones because they like these, so they're $3 each. Now you also can grab these right here, the little cinnamon sticks, those two, but not the little pancakes. They're not on sale. Okay, originally their Clover Valley is $3. It's 10 in this box and it's 9 waffles, so they give you an extra waffle in Clover Valley. Now let's turn right here and we're gonna look at the teas, if they have our tea special still going on, because I should have gotten here on Monday and I didn't get to. Okay, but we gotta cook, we gotta eat and cook food because we cannot eat detergent. So it's $8.20 and they are spend 10 save $3. Now we did have another coupon where they were like 2 for $7 or something like that. That one is over, but this to me is still a good deal. $7.50, spend 10 save 3. What you can do is you can buy this for $7.50 and then you can alternate with different if you don't want to. 2, 3, 4. So $7.50, $8.50, $9.50, $10.50. $10. So this is $11, $10.50. You can pick these another tea up. That's what you can do. All right, now these are the ones that you want to look at right here. These Liptons right here are $2.50, and they're usually 2 for $5. They're 2 for $2.50. That spend 10 save 3 works on them. So if we do that deal, $2.50 times 4 take you to $10. Take 3 away, leave you at 7. Divide that by 4. You'll be paying $1.75 each for them. Okay, so you can do that one, or you could do the sweet tea, which is $3.60. So we're gonna pick up 4 of these. Okay, now these right here, these are new. 5 packs in there. They're $3.50. I scanned it already. It's $3.50. They're on the spend 9 save $3. Now these are also on, my granddaughter cannot eat peanut butter, so here, let's see how that will work. That's $5.95, and oh, you got 2, so we have save $3 when you spend 9, and then we have cash back. You get $1.50, 10 count only. You have to buy 2 of them though, and they're at $5.95 each, so we are already well over our limit. So that's when you start checking to see which one is worth the deal. Okay, so let's see about the Chips Ahoy, this baked Oreo. This is $4.25, and that one also counts. Oh, and that's about to get one free. Okay, so this is the deal you can do. The Oreo Cakesters we just looked at. The Oreo Cakesters. Hold on. Okay, the Oreo Cakesters are $3.95. I don't know why they coming up $4.25 for me, but I don't like that. But anyway, you have the spend 9, save 3, and then the buy 2, get 1 free. So let's add that up. $3.95 times 3, $11.85. Now we're gonna add something on there that's in that group. It can be these Nutter Butters or those, but let's do the Nutter Butters since they're at $3 plus $3.50. That's $15.35. The first thing they're gonna do is, because it's a Dollar General coupon, they're gonna take that $3.95 off and see if you reach that limit, and you did. Then you're gonna take your $3 off. $8.40. Divide that by 4 products. $2.10. So that's a deal you can do. Okay, so I'm gonna hold off on that until it can get this down from $4.25 back to $3.95. But the better deal is the Cakesters, guys. We already saw it, $2.10. Let's get to next deal. The next deal we're gonna grab is the mac and cheese 4 for $4. Every time this deal come around, I grab it because my boys eat a lot of mac and cheese. Okay, and it's spinning in here terribly today. Guys, as all our fails, get these. They're at $3. $3 right there, and spend 9, save 3 is what you'll get. Okay, now I am going to grab the Gatorade. Here, let me show you. Just need an empty spot. Here it is, $8.25. Spend 14, save 2. 2 for $13. So we're gonna pay $11 for 2, or $5.50 each for the 8-pack. And let's get to the cereal right here. Now mine was the Cheerios that had the good coupons to them, $3.85. They have a couple of deals going on. First, the instant 4 for $8. Then on the coupons we have $1 off 1, $1 off 2, and then we have 50 cents off 1. So that'll cover all 4 boxes. Okay, so let's do the math. And I did do this on my Do Now deal, so make sure you check it. $8. Then you have $1 off 1, $1 off 2, and then 50 cents off 1. $5.50, divide that by 4, you're gonna pay $1.37. That's awesome. Grab those, guys, if you need them. Okay, hey guys, so here is my cart as of now for cereal: the 2 boxes of Gatorade, the 2 Go-Gurts. I'm gonna get these 3 packs of cookies because it's just cheaper for me. And then those right there, the buy one get one for my mom. Kids gotta have snacks for when I'm not at home. And then these teas are for me and my granddaughter, and this is for breakfast. Okay, so now let me show you one more deal. I'm not gonna get the deal because I'm gonna use the General meals, but this right here, the Captain Crunch, let me see if that deal is still going. So it's $3.95. They gave us a $2 off 2 boxes, and they're 2 for $6. So you actually are paying 2 for $4, and then $2 each. I'm not gonna do that deal this week though, because I've done it already. I'm not gonna do it. Okay guys, I hope you all enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share Ivy's Coupon Camp. We don't gatekeep. Bye.